Do you want to know how to be the kind of man that women can't resist? It's all about mastering the art of mystery. Unfortunately, most guys don't get it. They talk too much and act like clowns. But here's the truth. If you can strike the perfect balance of mystery, you'll become a god in any field of life and drive women wild. Let's dive into the 5 secrets of being a mysterious man and learn how to cultivate a captivating and intriguing personality. Number 1, disappear. Do you feel like you always need to be in the spotlight, seeking validation from others? It's time to break free from that prophetic behavior and learn the art of mystery. Mysterious people are often highly intelligent and know that it's okay to be on their own sometimes. They disappear without warning, leaving others wondering where they've gone. But disappearing doesn't mean engaging in meaningless activities. It's about making strategic moves in the shadows. When you re-emerge, people will notice something different about you. The best men know that there's power in solitude, and they can be alone without feeling lonely. So, are you ready to master the art of being mysterious and embrace the power of solitude? Let's dive into the secrets of disappearing without leaving a trace and making a powerful comeback that leaves people in awe. Number 2, withhold information. Have you ever been around someone who just can't stop oversharing? It's like they're a walking megaphone, shouting out every detail of their life. Well, let me tell you something that's not mysterious or intriguing. That's just plain impulsive and clownish. The best men know when to keep their mouths shut and when to speak up. They don't give away too much information for no reason. They take the time to think before they speak and only share information when it's a conscious decision. This conscious approach to sharing information makes them even more mysterious to others. They don't reveal everything about themselves, but instead give out limited information that keeps people guessing and wanting more. So, are you ready to embrace the power of restraint and become a master of mystery? Let's learn how to keep people guessing and create an air of intrigue that leaves everyone wanting to know more about you. Number 3, charismatic aura. If you've ever been around a charismatic man, you know how magnetic their personality can be. And it's not just about their looks or what they say, it's also in the way they say it. Charismatic men understand the power of their voice, and they know how to use it to their advantage. They can shift the tonality, emphasize certain words, and keep you hanging on their every word. But here's the good news. You can develop that same level of charisma with some practice and effort. And one of the best places to start is by working on your voice. By learning how to control your voice, you can create interest and build anticipation in the people around you. It's a skill I've personally developed, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. Of course, other factors contribute to charisma as well, and we'll be exploring those in future videos. So, make sure you subscribe to stay in the loop and learn how to become the most charismatic version of yourself. Number 4 is unpredictable and hard to read. Mysterious men are like a breath of fresh air in a world full of predictable conversations and mundane interactions. They are unpredictable and leave people scratching their heads, wondering what they'll do next. And that's a good thing. The greatest minds in history were the ones who dared to be different and did things that no one else thought of. When people talk to you, they usually have an idea of what to expect, but a mysterious man keeps them on their toes. You never know what they're going to say or do next, and that's what makes them so fascinating. It's like watching a magician perform a magic trick. You're constantly wondering what's going to happen next. But let's be clear, being unpredictable doesn't mean you're erratic or unstable. A truly mysterious man is always in control, always calculated, and knows exactly what he's doing. It's a skill that takes practice and patience, but the rewards are worth it. Number 5 is calmness. The man that remains calm in the face of adversity is a dangerous man. If you can stay calm and collected while everyone around you is freaking out, you'll have an aura of mystery that people can't resist. Women especially love a man who can handle tough situations with grace and composure. It's a sign of strength and respect that will leave a lasting impression. So, train yourself to be stoic and unflappable no matter what life throws your way. Don't waste time panicking or running around like a headless chicken. Instead, view every obstacle as a chance to level up and prove your mettle. Remember, staying composed in tough situations is a test of your character and ability. If you pass the test, you'll earn the admiration of those around you and gain more opportunities to succeed. And if you want to keep leveling up, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more helpful tips and insights.